When going to design or knit anything, you want to understand and read your fabric to find its gauge, which is the stitches and rows in 1 inch. So the number of stitches horizontally in 1 inch and the number of rows vertically in 1 inch. To find this, you are going to measure the number of stitches over 4 inches and the number of rows in 4 inches. We'll take that information and divide it by 4 to get the most accurate stitches and rows per 1 inch. And knowing how many stitches are in an inch and how many rows are in an inch allows you to knit with confidence and know exactly how many rows you need to knit to make a shape and exactly how many stitches you need to cast on to make a shape. So let's use this Stockinette fabric as an example in the demonstration. And it's nice to have a ruler. I love using these like clear rulers because then I can see the knitting beneath. And you want to lay it in the center of your swatch and count the number of stitches in 4 inches. So you're lining up the ruler to the edge of a knitted stitch. And remember, a knitted stitch in Stockinette looks like this beautiful V. That's 1 stitch. So I'm lining up my ruler to the beginning of a full stitch, and I recommend using some kind of pointer to help you keep track, and I'll count the number of stitches. So I just got 29 stitches in 4 inches. And then I'm going to do the same thing, but this time counting the rows. So I'll line up my ruler to the bottom of a knitted stitch. And so just to clarify, that would be lining up my ruler to the bottom and then counting to the top. And that was 39 rows in 4 inches. And so I'll take each of these numbers and divide by 4.